Hi, I'm Jonathan with Air McCall, and today we're going to be talking about what's hiding in your air ducts. Did you know that the EPA says that we spend up to 90% of our time indoors? As time passes, we can forget that the air conditioning is running constantly in the background, especially here in Florida. Every square inch of air inside of your home gets cycled through your air ducts repeatedly every day. Indoor air contains a lot more pollutants and contaminants than the outdoor air that we breathe. Over time, pet hair, dust, dander, chemicals, cleaners, and all the things we use in life can build up, decreasing the indoor air quality of your home. Unfortunately, air ducts are a hot spot for pollutants and contaminants to build up in, where it becomes a breeding ground for microorganisms and bacteria. What you don't see can hurt you. If you want to improve the air that you and your family are breathing, then call Air McCall and have your ducts professionally cleaned today.